The wedding is finally over, the honeymoon was amazing, and now you are faced with a massive pile of confusing government paperwork. Figuring out how to legally change your last name can be incredibly overwhelming. As a licensed counselor and the clinical director at Cadenza Counseling, I hear from newlyweds all the time about how stressful this administrative hurdle is. But it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact chronological order you must follow to change your name in 2026, the specific legal forms you need, and a simple $9.97 tool that will autofill your paperwork for you. The biggest mistake newlyweds make is trying to skip to the DMV. You cannot change your name anywhere until you complete step 1, getting a certified copy of your marriage certificate from the county clerk where your license was issued. Notice I said certified copy. You cannot use the pretty decorative certificate your officiant signed. It must be the official government document with a raised seal or stamp. I highly recommend ordering at least 3 certified copies, as multiple agencies will need to see an original. Once you have your certified certificate in hand, step 2 is updating your Social Security card. This is mandatory because every other agency checks the Social Security database to verify your identity. To do this, you will need to fill out Form SS5. You can mail this form along with your certified marriage certificate and your current ID to your local SSA office, or you can take it in person. The good news? Updating your Social Security card is completely free. Wait about 48 hours after Social Security processes your application so their system updates. Then, step 3 is visiting your local DMV to get a new driver's license. You will need your old ID, your new Social Security receipt, and your marriage certificate. Finally, step 4 is updating your passport and your bank accounts. For your passport, you'll generally use Form DS-82 if you have your current passport, or Form DS-5504 if your passport is less than a year old. If hunting down government PDFs, figuring out mailing addresses, and writing letters to your banks sounds exhausting, we have built a tool to do the heavy lifting for you. At Cadenza Counseling, we created a comprehensive name change kit. For just $9.97, you get access to our hub where you simply type in your new name once, and our software automatically fills out your SS5, your passport forms, and generates pre-written notification letters for your employers and banks. It comes with a master checklist so you never miss a step. Don't spend hours crying over government websites. Click the link in the description below to access the Cadenza Counseling Name Change Kit for just $9.97. You can instantly download your auto-filled forms and check this massive task off your post-wedding to-do list today. If you have any questions about the name change timeline or forms, drop a comment below. Congratulations again, and good luck.